February 15th. I like that poem we read today about street music in the city. My street is not in the middle of the city, so it doesn't have that loud music of horns and trucks, clash, flash, screech. My street is on the edge of a city and it has quiet music. Most of the time, wisp, meow, swish. Street Music by Arnold Adolph. This city, the always noise, grinding up from the subways underground, slamming from bus tires and taxi horns and engines of cars and trucks in all. Vocabularies of clash, flash, screeching, hot metal language, combinations as planes overhead roar, an orchestra of rolling drums and battle blasts assaulting my ears with the always noise of this city. Street music.